So today in this video I will explain to you what sorry guys, so without sorry. So today in this video I will explain to you what is noise pollution. So noise pollution is something is defined as unwanted sound that could disturb us in our daily life. So example, noise and sound is completely different, which is sound we can say like music, song, but noise is something that could make us disturb. So noise is measured in units of decibel and denoted as dB. So according to WHO, a sound that exceeds 115 decibel is tolerant. So the industrial limit of sound in the industry must be 75 decibel according to them. And outdoor noise is summarized by the word environmental noise. Poor urban planning may give rise to noise pollution. So noise pollution also can cause hypertension, high stress, hearing loss, and many more. So in conclusion, for my part, noise is a sound that exists around us, but it disturbs us in an unhealthy way. So that's all from me. So bye.
Today, I will explain to all of you about the factor of noise pollution. So the first factor is transportation system such as car, motorcycle, aeroplane and train. So for the car and motorcycle will produce the motor vehicle noise from their engine, and for the aeroplane will produce aircraft noise, and the train will produce the rail noise. All of that is noise pollution. So for the second factor is poor urban planning. So the industrial area is near to the residential area. So when the industrial area produce loud noise, so it will make a noise pollution to the residential area. So that's the second factor of noise pollution. So for the third factor is construction area and also noise of people. So such as when the construction area usually produce a loud noise, so that it will produce a noise pollution to the surroundings area. And when people speak so loud or singing or
Okay, now I will talk about the effect of noise pollution. At 45 decibel, average person cannot sleep, and at 120 decibel, our ears start to feel pain. However, at the 85, actually hearing damage start to occur. So next, I will talk about the effect on the human health impact. So we have a psychological effect and physiological effect on human health. And for psychological effect, noise pollution can cause annoyance and aggression to person. So furthermore, it will cause hypertension, high stress level, sleep disturbance and other harmful effect. Now the effect on physiological on person. The chronic exposure to the noise may cause to the noise-induced hearing loss, and high noise level can contribute to the cardiovascular effect and Exposure to the moderately high level of noise may lead to the high in blood pressure. Now, the effect of noise to the productivity. So, study has shown that children that exposed to the loud noise do not perform well in oral aspect. Now, the effect of noise on animal. Noise may causing stress, habitat reduction and loss of hearing on animal. Noise also may disturb the use of sound on animal in communication, reproduction and navigation.
There are many solutions for noise pollution. Noise pollution such as from vehicle, from human, from road, is may affect our daily life. So I will explain how to prevent the noise from the roadway. So first thing, design the roadway, we must to include all geometric characteristics. Use a technology to predict future sound level. Expose of sensitive sectors to evaluate sound level can be minimized. Second, surface pavement selection. Pavement affects sound level created by the vehicle due to the friction. Louder pavement have a transversely grooved surface. Next, speed control. It's very effective. So, do you know the lowest sound we mentioned arised by vehicle moving swiftly about 30 km per hour to 60 km per hour. The effective way to prevent the noise pollution is by noise barrier. So, this can be used injecting road building projectors.
Hey Achai, can you switch off your sound?
Yeah.
I'm studying.
Oh, sorry.
It's so loud.
Sorry,
This
sorry.
is noise pollution.
Dibiarkan begitu saja, terikat namun tak bertali, mencoba.
Guys, we need to stop this. Guys. This is noise pollution. We will interrupt people around us. This is noise pollution.
Baik.
Yeah, Raziman.
Did you know your motorcycle produce a loud sound?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't notice this.
So your motorcycle sound will interrupt our people around us. That is noise pollution.
Okay, I'm sorry. So I'll change my attitude after this.
Okay.